Hey there, parents. Are you the parent of a child who's going to be entering school for the first time, whether it be preschool or even kindergarten, and you're not quite sure how that experience is going to go? Well, you're not alone. 71% of parents report feeling anxious about their child's first time school experience. And even more than that, 48% reported feeling even more anxious than their child is about that experience. My name is Karen Cherniak, and I am the owner of the Kinder Karate programs and Kinder Karate franchises. I have lots of experience with parents who bring their children to me because they want them to be better listeners or they want them to work on some aspect of their behavior, usually before they've even entered school. So what I wanted to do was take the benefit of my experience and to share it with parents who are going to be having children entering school for the first time. I wanted to give you a series of tips and talk about what it really means to be ready for school. And let me tell you that it's not what you think. Lots of times parents think being ready for school is about the ABCs and the 123's or even being potty trained. And I'm here to tell you that that is not it. So in this video series, I'm going to be talking about what it really means to be ready for school. And so I call this video series Really Ready for School. I'm going to talk to you about the studies that have been done, what the main things are that your child needs to know or to be able to do before they go to school that really will be the things to set them up for success. I'm also going to share with you straight from the teachers themselves what they see and what they feel your child needs to be ready to be successful in their school experience. And then finally, I'm going to share some things that you can do, some action steps that you can take, because I'm all about action, to help your child in the weeks or even months, if you see this in time, leading up to their school experience.